very excited actually. This is the first time we're launching a very affordable Mac. So with that, first, thank you for coming today. Good evening everyone. Personally, I don't believe in love at first sight, but I do believe in love at first sight. It's the most beautiful Mac ever. Going to use it. Upon launching it, it's incredibly powerful, made fit seamless to everyone's life. So be you a student, professional, that you will work for you. So that's why tonight we call it love at first sight. Mac Neo is more than a device. From the moment you open it, you'll feel the difference. Faster performance, stunning design, and an experience that makes every task easier. So tonight, we invite you to discover that feeling for yourself. With this, we want to thank our amazing partners who made this launch possible. To our fans of Ayala Malls for opening their doors once again for our launch. For our bank partners, Union Bank, and of course Home Credit, for giving our customers more ways to purchase their device and make it more affordable. And for our value partners, of course, especially Skin are with us tonight. And on the side, we have Belkin Habit, Koala, Philips, Logitech, Amazing Thing, and more. Lastly, I would like to commend my team for mounting this launch for our Digital and Apple fans. To everyone, thank you for all being part of this launch. Here's to more milestones and memories, and more magic together with Digital. Good evening and enjoy your new Mac Neo.